In this video, I'll show you how to load the Instax Mini Film into the Instax Mini LiPlay camera. The Instax Mini Film comes in lots of different varieties. Here's the standard one with the white borders. Here's one with black borders. Here's one with stained glass borders. Each one has slightly different colors. This is my favorite, the Instax Mini Rainbow. Each frame has a different color and they're nice bright colors. And this one has an airmail type design. The fancy film usually comes in a pack of 1, while the standard film with the white borders usually comes in a pack of 2. So here we have 10 prints times 2. So inside of a box, we have 2 pouches. I already used one of the pouches, and here is 1 pouch remaining. In each of these pouches is a cassette that holds 10 prints. So to open the pouch, there's a notch up here, and we pull on it like this, and we can open it up like that. Then we get the cassette out. It's usually pretty easy. So now we have the cassette ready to load. So before we load the film, it's good to make sure that the camera is sufficiently charged. So we turn on the camera, and then we check the charge level of the camera by pushing this back button. And you can see here that the camera is fully charged. So let's turn it back off. Now we are ready to load the film. To load the film, we have to open the film door on the back of the camera. So we push this latch right here, and then we open the back door of the camera. Once we have the camera open, we look for the yellow mark right here, and then we look for the yellow mark on the film cassette. And now we want to align the yellow mark. So we insert the film cassette like this, and we want to align these yellow marks. Once the yellow marks are aligned, we just close the film door, and the camera will automatically eject the dark slide. So this is just the black protective sheet of plastic that protects the film from being exposed while it's outside of the camera. You can take this and throw it away. And now the camera is ready to shoot, and you have 10 prints to go. To check how many prints we have left over, we turn on the camera. And here on the bottom we see 10 dots indicating that we have 10 prints left.